Welcome back everyone to Crypto and More. So right now we're looking at the price of Chainlink. I made a video about Chainlink about a couple of days ago. Um, it's Chainlink has been really strong while Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrency space has been dropping. Um, and right now, we actually surpassed the local high. I was curious to see what Chainlink was gonna do. Um, we still have a few hours left before the weekly closes, but it's looking pretty good. The rest of the cryptocurrency space just started moving up as well. We have Bitcoin at $42,000, so Ethereum's going up as well. It's up 2%. Uh, Polkadot is up almost 4%. AGIX is up almost 5%. So the rest of the cryptocurrency space seems to be bouncing right now from the downtrend that it's been having for a few days. It's looking really good. I hope this continues as this week closes. Um, the volume is not that high, but I think that's just because there's some people that are in disbelief probably still. Um, but to me, this is really bullish. I know the daily on the Stochar side, the RSI seems to be like it's a little high right now, but it's okay. If you look at the previous price actions, um, like back here, like even though the RSI seemed to be overbought, like it still was about a week, I believe, or two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so um, that it was up here on the overbought levels. Same thing right here. But on the dailies, like the shorter the time frame, even though these indicators do matter and they could kind of give you like a point of view of where it may go. Um, they're short term trends, so it's like those could last a lot longer, on the overbought or oversold levels. Like right here where it's oversold for, quite some time since 9th of September all the way to the 28th. So, on the dailies it could last quite a bit of time. But right now this is really good. As you can see, we just passed the VPVR, and there's hardly any resistance up here in the VPVR. So that's pretty good. I hope we close above this, which is around the $28 range. I hope we close above this on the weekly. This will give me a little bit more optimism that we're gonna at least reach, the previous local high, and probably meet more major resistance up here. Um, there are obviously, if you look at these price actions on the side, there are other resistance levels like around this area, like around the between the 32, $33 range. Um, but so far, I hope most of the cryptocurrency space closes above certain uh, price levels. But right now, Chainlink is looking really good. The weekly, obviously, we had a buy signal a week ago, um, and obviously, this is why. Right now, like I said, right now we're still meeting resistance, but I'm really hoping we close above this. There's only a few hours left. There's not much to talk about. Chainlink. Actually, the volume was pretty good last week. There's not much to talk about Chainlink except for this, and then I know I already made a video about this resistance, but I just want to remake the video because we are actually on that 27, $28 range where we're hopefully the strength, of the buyers pushes us above, that $28 range as the weekly closes. We got a buy signal on the 2 week, so that looks really good. The 2 week is actually pretty low still on the RSI, on the Stoke RSI. and the monthly it's still on oversold levels. So to me, even if, because the weekly, um it's well, it's in the middle. There's still potential to go higher. The daily is a little close to overbought. So even if we do, like let's say we do close the weekly above the 27, $28 range, and we do have some sort of correction, maybe retest, maybe we go a little bit above $28, maybe go up to the next resistance level between, the 30 and $33 range, and then come back and retest at like the 27, $28 range, and then bounce off from there. Just to, make sure that this breakout is legit and not a fake out. Maybe something like that could happen, So on the short term, we might go a little bit higher, maybe have a small pullback, just to retest that. Only because we are reaching a little bit overbought levels, and like I said, dailies, we might have just some small pullbacks. There's more price actions, there's more volatility on the shorter time frames, and obviously on the longer time frames. And the longer time frames look beautiful. 2 month is still oversold, on the monthly is oversold. On the 2 weeks, it's just breaking up above the oversold level. So obviously we just got a buy signal on the Cypher B. So in the long term, it's looking extremely, extremely bullish. I'm very, very excited. Obviously not financial advice. I'm just showing what the charts are saying, just what they're indicating. This is beautiful. Obviously, we got above all the EMAs, and we just closed above. It seems like even though it doesn't close, even if it doesn't close above the 27, $28 range, we are gonna be closing most likely above, the 8 and the 21 EMA. So that's really good. But just wanted to give you a small little update. We'll probably make another video when the markets close. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.